Good evening, Dov and John joining me tonight, and the song, Morning Rain. Just you and me, morning rain. Lazy river walks, dog hesitant to leave. Early fireside talks, where is that evening breeze? Frequent lake dips in this relentless heat. Just you and me, morning rain, sequestered under the canopy of trees. Morning cloud requested your breath. In the morning too humid, bothered, restless, too hot to touch. A bountiful day of sun's exhaustion affecting us. Phone calls interrupting, no rush, just you